Now, what is an ideal kitchen setup for shooting kitchen videos, cooking videos, and videos of your equipment that you use for cooking? Now, I have basically a microwave oven, and I also have recently purchased an air fryer, and the most recent was the pressure cooker. Now, I felt that this was equipment that was useful for me and so that I can do a cooking channel, and it makes it easier to do the job instead of using the traditional methods of frying with a big wok or those pressure cooker, which, well, I don't know whether it's safe or not, but anyway, that's how it is. I use this to actually film my video for the first few, but I didn't like it. So recently I bought myself something from Shopee, and this is the unboxing of my cooking ring light. Now the boxes came, it was very nicely packed, as you can see, very neat and tidy, very well done and safe. So I received it on the evening at about 10:30 at night, which was a surprise, but then of course there were so many deliveries. This is how it looks like in an unassembled state. Ring light, the controller, remote control, and here I have set it up. You have a nice tripod stand which can actually support the equipment very well. Then there's a length of wire. Now you can connect your ring light to a laptop for power, but I did what I call a power pack, which I think was much more convenient, and you don't have to bring your laptop all around. So this is a ring light, and that is the handphone holder, and this is the wire, the length of wire which you can extend further or nearer as you wish, and you can actually then shoot very good videos from what I am seeing. As well, the equipment may be further in, you can actually adjust the length so that you can actually shoot right above your cooking equipment. Now let's try out the lights and see how good they are. From what I understand, there are supposed to be 10 different types of lights, from very low to very bright lights, and of course there also will be a color intensity, how bright you want it to be. And I think this is good because compared to the kitchen light, which is overhead, sometimes that may not be bright enough, it may cast shadows on your cooking. So there, this light is on, the ring light is on, and if you put my handphone, I will put it where you see the space, so you will be just shooting it like horizontally, which to me is the ideal way actually can capture more of your food and cooking. So I am glad to share with you what I use for my video going, and this is how I feel that it's really good, it's very good support, and you can actually do a very good video with it.